Hello student, in this video I will teach you LDA from organometallic chemistry. First we can see what is the LDA. L means lithium, D means diisopropyl group. This is diisopropyl group. 2 means diisopropyl group. A means amide. Now we can see what is the structure. Here lithium attached to nitrogen. Here is the isopropyl group. That is, the name of compound is lithium. This is diisopropyl group and nitrogen, therefore it is called as amide. And it is from organometallic chemistry because here metal use is lithium. Now we can see some properties of lithium diisopropyl amide. This is the structure. The LDA is hindered non-nucleophilic strong base. LDA is hindered because these two isopropyl groups, due to this bulky group, the LDA is hindered and it is non-nucleophilic, means it not attack to a electron deficient species. It not attack to electron deficient species. That is, it not directly attack the carbonyl carbon or other electron deficient species because it is sterically hindered and bulky, therefore it not attack to electron deficient species, but it is strong base. It is strong base. Base means it abstract the acidic proton. Next, very poor nucleophile. It is very poor nucleophile and does not use nucleophilic substitution with alkyl halide and tosylate. It not give substitution with alkyl halide and tosylate. If we add LDA, here LDA, then here is the no, not give nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution means the X is and OTS is not replaced by this base. That is, it is non-nucleophilic base. Next, LDA is ideal base for generation of carbanion. It is used for generation of carbanion enolate anion from carbonyl compound. Means here this proton is removed by LDA and here carbanion is generated and this carbanion undergo enolate formation. Here is the Li. Here is the Li. Remember, less hindered alpha proton is more rapidly removed by the base LDA, resulting in less substituted enolate normally predominance. Means the LDA abstract most acidic proton, which is less hindered, and it remove alpha proton more rapidly by LDA. That is, here less substituted enolate form predominantly. Now we can see some reactions. Here is also acidic proton, here is also acidic proton, but this proton is less sterically hindered, therefore LDA abstract this proton. It not abstract this proton because here is the methyl group. Due to LDA is sterically hindered and due to this methyl group steric hindrance take place, therefore it not abstract this proton, and this proton is most acidic. This is not most acidic because here methyl group is electron donating. Therefore LDA abstract this proton and it is less substituted alkene. Here less substituted enolate is formed. Less substituted enolate is formed means here is the hydrogen, here is the methyl group. Here to the enolate more substituent and here is the less substituent. Here more substituent. Therefore it is less substituted enolate and this product is major. Next reaction is here two types of acidic proton. Here is the acidic proton, here is the acidic proton. Here is the chain, alkene chain. Due to steric hindrance, the LDA not abstract this proton and LDA always abstract most acidic proton and this proton is most acidic. Therefore, it abstract this proton and here enolate is formed. Not here enolate is formed because after removal of proton, here more substituted enolate is formed because due to this 1, 2, 3, 4. This butyl group chain, it is more substituted. Here only the hydrogens, therefore it is less substituted. Next reaction, here is the two protons which is abstract by LDA. LDA take this proton and here carbanion is generated. Then it undergo enolate formation. Here is the Li, here OMe, here is the OLi, here is the double bond, here is the double bond, here is the CO, here is the OMe. Then here it oxygen donates this electron here and this double bond is attack on the benzyl chloride and the Cl is eliminated and we get here Me, here is the carbonyl, here is the CH2, here is the pH, here is the double bond, here is the CO, OMe. From this reaction, we know the LDA is used for carbon-carbon bond formation. Carbon-carbon bond formation. Here, this carbon and this carbon bond is formed. Therefore, the LDA is used for carbon-carbon bond formation reaction. Now we can see the next reaction. Here are two types of proton. This proton and this proton. LDA always abstract more acidic proton. This proton is more acidic. This is less acidic. Therefore, it not abstract because here methyl group is electron donating. Therefore, acidity of this proton is decreases. Therefore, LDA takes this proton and here enolate is formed. Then this negative charge comes here and this double bond attack on this methyl and I is eliminated and we get this compound. Next reaction is here this enolate react with CH2 double bond CH, CH2Br. Here this negative charge come here, this double bond attack to this carbon and one Br is eliminated. Either this mechanism or another is this O minus donates electron here, this double bond attack to this carbon and this double bond shift here and one Br is eliminated and we get here methyl group, here is the CO, here is the CH2, here is the carbon, here is the double bond. These two products are similar. Next question is, this is the starting material, it reacts with LDA. LDA takes this acidic proton and here double bond is formed and this double bond is break and here O minus is formed. Here is the double bond. Then this compound is react with SiMe3Cl. It is used for protection of oxygen and Cl is eliminated. We get here OSiMe3. Here is the double bond. Here is the 2-methyl group. Then this compound is react with this compound. Here is the CH3 in presence of ZnBr2, CH2, Cl2. Here carbonyl carbon is formed and this double bond attack to this carbon and one Cl is depart. Here is the benzene ring, here is the methyl group, here is this carbon, here is the methyl group, this carbon, this is this carbon, then here is the carbonyl group, to the next carbon double bond, here is the 2-methyl group. Now we can see next reaction. Here this is the starting material. LDA abstract this proton, not this, because this proton is less acidic. This proton is more acidic. Why it is more acidic? Because here is no donating group. Here is the methyl donating group. Therefore, it is less acidic. Therefore, LDA abstract this proton. LDA always abstract more acidic proton. This is the LDA. Take this proton. Here is the enolate form. Then this enolate attack to this group and one Br is eliminated and we get SePH here. Then in presence of H2O2 the selenium is oxidized and we get here in presence of H2O2, here is the carbonyl group, here is the CH3, here oxidation of selenium take place. Here this is alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. Here beta hydride elimination take place. Here this O minus take proton, it takes this proton, here is the double bond form and we get here is the CO, here is the double bond, here is the H, here is the H, byproduct is SeOH PH. Now we can see next reaction. Here two protons, LDA take this proton, this is the formula of LDA, LDA take this proton, here is the enolate is formed and we get here O minus Li. Then this O minus Li here here double bond is formed and this double bond is attack on this pH SeBr. This double bond attack on Se and Br is eliminated and we get this compound. Now we can see the reaction mechanism. Here is the CO, CH2, CH3, LDA. This is the LDA. LDA take this proton and we get lithium enolate. Here is the O minus Li plus. Here is the double bond. Here is the CH3. Then this compound react with pH SeBr. This O minus donates its electron here. Here carbonyl carbon is formed. This double bond attack on this selenium. Br is removed and we get here. Here is the CO. Here is the CH3. Here is the Se. Here is the pH. In next step, the oxidation of selenium take place with the help of H2O2. Here H2O2 is added. It oxidizes this selenium and we get here CO. Here is the methyl. Here is the Se. Here O minus. Here is the pH. The positive charge on selenium. This is the alpha carbon. This is the beta. Here beta hydride elimination take place. This O minus take this proton. Here is the double bond is formed and this SePH is depart and we get here CO. Here is the double bond. Byproduct is PH SeOH. This is the product. Now we can see next reaction. Here LDA is the base. It first take this acidic proton. Here O minus Li is formed. Then LDA take this proton and it undergo enolate formation. This is the enolate. It take this proton and here enolate is formed. This O minus consists of Li plus. Then this enolate here carbonyl carbon is formed. This double bond attack on this alkyl group. X is eliminated and here carbonyl group is formed. Here O minus Li. Here is the alkyl group. In presence of acid, this O minus take proton and we get this compound. Now we can see next reaction. Here LDA is the base, sterically hindered base. It takes this acidic proton and here enolate is formed. This is the enolate. Then this enolate here. This is the enolate. O minus Li plus this enolate. Second reagent is RCH2Br. It attack on this carbon. Br is eliminated and we get here. Here is the carbonyl group. Here is the CH2, here is the R. Next reaction is LDA is lithium diisopropylamide. It is an sterically hindered base. It takes this proton, here is the enolate form, and we get here double bond, here is O minus Li plus. Then it react with this reagent. Here it attack on this double bond. Here this double bond shift 1Br is eliminated, and we get here is the CH2. Here total carbon 3, 1, 2, 3. And this double bond share shift terminal side. Then again it react with LDA. LDA take this proton and here enolate is formed, and we get here O minus Li plus. Here is the double bond. Here is the double bond. Then this enolate is attack on this methyl iodide, and we get here is the carbonyl group, here is the double bond, here is the methyl group. This is the product. This is the reaction mechanism. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe my channel.